I tend to post quite a bit about this because it's just mesmerizing. I've been restoring paintings for over 40 years, and the number of paintings that I come across that have been completely overpainted by somebody in the past is just always amazing to me. So this painting here, as you can see, this is all overpaint. The background of this painting is actually dark. You can see it beginning to come through here. And you can see how the newer paint that has been applied here, how it kind of curdles up with the solvent and then breaks free from the original paint layer. So, yeah, all this background is all overpainted. You can see up here that there's areas where the painting was, there's a chip. This is a wood panel painting, by the way. So you can see over here how there was a chip in the paint layer, and it was just painted over. You can see the lines, right? Same with up here. It was never filled. It was just, somebody just slopped paint right over the top of it. And which is the case down here as well. You can see all that texture. You see all this? This is all the original paint layer that was chipped, and it's just been painted over. So really what you're looking at is, I've worked on this section here and removed the overpainting here to expose the original painting. But what you're looking at here really is a completely overpainted painting. I don't believe her face has been touched, but the drapery over her head has. So somebody would typically overpaint a painting like this in an effort to, I guess in terms, restore it. And they'll overpaint all the easy areas. They usually don't touch they don't usually touch the face because that's a sensitive part of the painting. And they'll try to just get away with whatever condition it's in. Here, the hands had been completely overpainted. All of this area right here, you can see, I still need to work on this, is overpainted. And, you know, it's just unfortunate that this happens. So it'd be interesting to see, and I'll post again, what this painting really looks like underneath all this paint when we get to the real painting. All right, just wanted to share that with you guys. See ya.